Hello everybody, English Woodsman here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of all, thank you very much for clicking on my video. Now you can probably tell by the thumbnail, but I've got myself, well, my missus got me from my kids for Father's Day. I think they're called Ozark Trail. Am I saying that right? Ozark Trail outdoor equipment cooking set. Now I was nicking my missus frying pan, you know, when I'm going to Woods to do a bit of cooking on, if you've been watching some of my bushcraft cooking videos, and we saw these in Asda. I think they were £15. So Miss said, get you them for Father's Day, you know, you like your bit of outdoor cooking now. I've been on about getting a little pan set. If I can get it out of the box to show you, I would do. Comes in a right nice blue little carry case, stainless steel, space saving folding handles, 3-piece nesting set. One's 18 centimeters, 16 centimeters, and 17.5 frying pan. Frying pan's what I'm mostly interested in, maybe the smallest pan. So yeah, so if you've been watching my YouTube channel for me outdoor cooking, I think we can start exploring a little bit further with these. Oh yes. The bag, I can't see it lasting too much, can you? If it rains outside, I've got a little waterproof hat I can put on. Right, so this is one at lids. What am I saying? Must be one at lids for. There's another lid. I haven't opened these yet. It's been nearly about 4 days since Father's Day. Alright, I'm with it now. Sorry about this, I was getting a little bit confused. Stainless steel. Now, what's your thoughts about stainless steel ones? I'm truly grateful, don't get me wrong. I'm looking forward. Look at the size of my frying pan. 17.5, is it centimetres? Yeah, centimetres across. That is brilliant. You know, a bit of bacon, a few eggs, get cooking away in Woods. I think the bottoms are going to get badly burnt, but you know what, I can buff them up at work. I work for a sheet metal company, so I could always buffer them up. And then little fold up handles. Room saving it says, or is it space saving? So that's the frying pan. Whoops, it's alright. And this is the bigger pan. What is, if I had a memory, I'd be ace. 18 centimetres with a lid. Look at that for a pan. What do you think? Are you going to be looking forward to more of my cooking channels outdoors? I am. Tomorrow night, wild camp everybody. If you haven't seen that video, it will be above this one, I think. So it's not that lid. I'm making a load of noise, I'm so sorry. There, look at that, that's quite good, isn't it? Stainless steel, I can't get it out of my head. They're brilliant, I'm really looking forward to using them, but I just can't get the idea out of my head. Stainless steel. Titanium, brilliant. They have the rubber handles on some of them. But you know what, I am grateful. I know that might sound really bad, but I really am grateful. So that's the biggest pot. It's not too big, but it's ideal for one man in it. And this is my smaller one. What is, my memory again, shocking, 16 centimetres. That is brilliant, look at that. Once I've done, close the handles, once it's cooled down. I keep going about stainless, I know how warm stainless gets, and I know how long it can keep heat there as well. So if it's something I wouldn't want to eat, pack up and go, these pans could still be warm basically. But yeah, I like this one. I think this one, the smaller one, in my backpack is going to get more use than the bigger one. I'm really happy about these. Yeah, titanium, a lot better. But give us your thoughts here, titanium, or do you reckon stainless ones, just for woodland cooking and stuff, is perfectly fine? Is anything else about them? the frying pan's alright, innit? I'm looking forward to using the frying pan and the smaller pan. They don't really give much more information. The box is just, it's just the box, innit? It gives you a little bit of information there. If you notice having that focus thing, because I've got my camera working, it doesn't say the weight either, does it? I'll have to, when I use them outdoors a little bit more, I'll put the weight on screen then. Or what I could do is I could just take all these together and I put the weight somewhere on the screen round about here. But yeah, what a fantastic present. Now I don't think I'm being ungrateful when I do talk about, you know, it could have been out of titanium or something else. I really am grateful. The noisy little buggers, I'll tell you that one. Yeah, I'm in my studio, you know. I know one time I run about showing people around my studio, my YouTube studio. I do a lot of my video editing and stuff. Just look at that. I don't know about you, but for a little cook set, that is brilliant, isn't it? When would I use the big one? What could I cook to put it in that one? It's not too big. When I say a big one, I'm not saying it's massive, but yeah. What could I cook in it? I could do a little stew, maybe a beef stew or something. What else? Oh, that's it. You know what else I could do? I could even use these on my gas stove, you know, so the gas stove's underneath, putting heat up. That's probably a really good thing as well. I might look at more at doing it like that as well, instead of just putting them on a, you know, a campfire or the hot ashes. I could use the gas stove as well. There's not a lot I can say about them. I just wanted to show you what I've got and what I'm going to be using in more of my outdoor cooking videos now. The frying pan is, you know what, I'm looking forward to using the frying pan more than anything. But yeah, it's a nice little case, isn't it? We've got to accept it, you know. It's just a case. The pans are great. Titanium. Merry Christmas to me, Mrs. if you're watching. Could get me them, you know, you never know. So I'll cope with these ones first. I might need a set of titanium ones. But you know what? I'm happy. You know, my kids would chuff to give me them. Stay tuned because I will be doing the wild camp next, and I could take the frying pan or the little pan. What do I think? What I'm going to have for my breakfast? I might take the small pan, okay, for tomorrow night's video. But you know what? Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this and you've enjoyed this video showing these pans, if you wanted to have a look at what you think about buying them or you would use them, give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you later on for the next video what quite a lot of people on my channel are interested in, that's my wild camping. So I'll see you later on, and thank you for watching.